basically I'm coming in the same direction that I left in. That's Pasila Station. You already know what I look like, so I'm just gonna keep talking. So, as I go pick him up from the airport and keep people off public for going live, it's one of these things that I was like, I can't believe, but then I keep saying that as just like a phrase, but it's a phrase that I have to switch because I need to start saying, I do believe, and instead of using the word that's crazy or that phrase that's crazy, I say genius. That's genius. And then you go from saying, oh, that won't happen to make it happen, Captain. And that's what I want to do, and that's what we are doing. We've been making it happen. We got over thousands of leads being put out there and all this exposure and